Hey guys, I just want to make a short video where I demonstrate the steps I need to take to print a custom part on my 3D printer. So this is a great site called Thingiverse. I'll leave the link in the description. If you want to check it out, it's a great source of inspiration and also lots of models you can download. A common example is the Eiffel Tower. Now this is a rather complicated build, so I'm not sure if my 3D printer will be able to do this. Download the files. So when it's finished downloading, I'll just take the file. Of course, you can always model your own files. I prefer to use Google SketchUp for that purpose. Now here you can see an example of a Raspberry Pi case I'm working on. And then what you do next is you slice the model. Now I use the slicer for this purpose, and this way here is where all the settings for your 3D printer will be configured. So I scaled it down to 30% and we'll see how well it will print. So I'm gonna check the print settings. Now here's where you can set all those different speeds for different parameters, and I'm gonna export G-code. So the program I use for the 3D printer is the Repetier host. So now I will load the G-code and then run the print. Please leave a comment, like the video, share it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.